Hello beautiful viewers, you are welcome to the channel once again. This is Odum Business Consult. Today I'm going to show you a project that I'm working on and how you can also learn from me to design the same or a similar project. Okay, then I'm going to show you how to use PHP, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and so on and so forth to design point of sales database using XAMPP. Okay, so let me show you what what I'm going to teach you how to do. So I have this localhost / Odum. Okay, so the link is there. Let me enter dashboard. Okay, the link is supposed to be dashboard. Okay, so this is what I'm going to teach you how to do. Okay, using the programming language that I've mentioned above. So let me log in. I have the username to be admin. I have my password. Okay, so viewers, this is what I mean. This is what I'm going to the project I'm working on using PHP, MySQL, JavaScript, HTML, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to program this or design this using the programming language that I've mentioned above. So I have my manage customer here. I have my add sales. I have cash account. I have my mobile money entry form here, and so on and so forth. Okay, it is work in progress, but I'm going to show you how to start designing it, so by the time I also finish doing it, we all have a complete database. Okay, or you can use the same idea to design your own database. Okay, so this is what I mean. This is what I'm going to show you to do. But first of all, before we can design this, we need certain software or applications on our device or on our computer. Okay, so we're gonna have, or we need to download certain software that is going to help us to design it, which is the local host or the XAMPP. Going to help us to do that. Okay, so for us to do that, we need to download it from the official website. So we just have to type this www.apache friends. So I think I have it here, apachefriends.org download. Okay, press enter. Then from the first link in the results, click on that to take you to this website or the homepage of apachefriends.org. okay, and from that we can see the latest versions or the different versions that we have for Windows. Okay, so I think the latest one is 8.2.12 with PHP. Okay, so anyone that want to download, and the sizes too are being shown here. We have 144 MB, 148, 149. So the latest one has 149. Okay, so just click on that, so it will take you to the download section. Okay, so it says your download will start automatically. If it doesn't, click here. Okay, so let's see if it will start downloading. Let's wait a while. I think it has started, right? Okay, so it has started downloading. So I'm going to pause this video here, wait for it to download, then we continue later. Okay, we're gonna wait. Now the download is done. As you can see here, it has finished downloading. So let's click here and show in folder. Okay, so click on that to be shown in the folder that has been downloaded to. Let's double click on that. For the installation wizard to open. Then to ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes. Then because an activated user account control on your device. Okay, so click on okay. Go to next. Then make sure you selected this MySQL file, this, and so on and so forth. PHP. Make sure all this is being tick marked. Apache, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I click on the component to get detail. Okay, so make sure all these things are being tick marked. Okay, so we have this being installed. PHP is already selected. Okay, let's go to vacancy. Okay, now next, select the component you want to install. Clear the component you do not want to install. Click on this when you are done. So just make sure this one is selected, this one to be selected, this is selected. I think this one to be selected. Let's go to next. Now make sure this is like this. Don't change anything here. This is where the directory should be. Okay, make sure it's C:// then XAMPP. Okay, go to next. Okay, so next. Okay, so for me, I've already have the setup. Okay, I've already installed it on my device. So already the folder that I'm going to install it has the files that is going to be downloaded or is going to be installed already. It's in the folder. Okay, so the files that is going to be installed in this folder, all those files are still, or it is in that folder already, because I've installed XAMPP. Okay, I have it already. If you can see it here, I've already installed XAMPP on my device. So this folder is not empty. So that's why if I go to next, it's saying that the selected folder is not empty. Please select a different folder. So in your case, because you have not downloaded it, it will not give you that warning message. Okay, so just select that folder and click on next and next, and wait for the thing to be installed on your device. I believe you are good on that. Okay, so this is how you can download and install XAMPP on your device. After doing the installation, you can decide to pin it to the taskbar. Okay, so pin it to the taskbar. You see it over here. So for me, I've pinned it to my taskbar. Now when you do that, let me close it. When you pin it to the taskbar, and if you want to start it, just double click on that, and this control panel will be open for you. When you see it like this, let me stop it. In your case, when you open it for the first time, you don't see it running. Okay, when you open it for the first time, or when you open it, this is how the control panel is going to look on your device. So the first thing that you have to do is to start the Apache. So if you see this, okay, if you see this port number reading, or if you see some numbers here reading, it means the server is running. Okay, when you start the Apache, then you come to the MySQL, you start that one too. That one too, if you see the port reading, or if you see the numbers reading, it means it's active. Or if you see some green color around these two model, after you've clicked on the stats under the action for those two application, it means they're active and running. So you just hide it and you open your browser. Okay, so just confirm it. Just open your browser, make sure it is running. Okay, make sure you start the Apache and then the MySQL. Make sure you start it. Okay, if you don't start, what I'm going to show you will not work for you. So here, if you want to see it working, just type local host // okay, php myadmin /enter. Okay, when you do that, or if you type it in the search address and you press enter, this way to take you to. If you're able to see this screen on your device, it means the Apache is running, the server is running. Okay, so for you to get to this side, you have to start these two applications. Okay, then minimize it. So for here, this way we can create our database and link it to our PHP later when we start designing it. So you can see that I've started working on this project, the one that I showed you in the introductory aspect. This is the database with my tables over here. So we'll be learning how to do all this. Okay, so stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, you have to do that, so that when I upload the videos for that, you will not miss it. Okay, so this is how you can download and install XAMPP and start the control panel on your PC. I believe you find this video very helpful. Okay, I'm sure. If you find it very helpful, please just like the video for me, share it and comment on it. Or if there's anything that you want me to throw more light on, you can leave it in the comment section. Okay, so friends, follow these steps to download and install XAMPP. That's what we're going to use to design our POP or POS database. Okay, this is the local host server that we're going to use, it the XAMPP, this one. Okay, we're going to use this to design our POS database. We need a server, and for you to get a server, it means you have to buy a hosting account. But for the purpose of learning and other things, this software has been designed for set purposes. So you can use this local host server to design it as if you are using a remote server. Okay, don't get confused. I will give you more explanation on all these things I'm talking about: remote server and local host. So for now, just follow these steps and download and install XAMPP on your PC, and follow that link to open to my PHP my admin panel, okay, or page. And from there, this is where we'll be creating our database. Okay, and link it with our PHP files. I believe you find this video helpful. I will end it here. In the upcoming videos, I will be teaching you how to create a database over here and how to create PHP files, okay, and how to link them together. Stay tuned. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel and share the videos with your friends, so that you can also learn from this wonderful channel. Thank you for being with me. See you soon.